Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, November 20th. After we admit our wrongs and witness the anguish, we must offer a genuine apology. There is something magical about saying, I am sorry. There is a healing in the very utterance of those words. I am sorry can be a bridge between nations, spouses, friends, and enemies. A whole world can be built on the very foundation laid out in these three simple words. If we neglect this important step, we can create cracks in the foundation of our forgiving. And we may need to utter those magical words many times before they're heard and felt. We may have to say them many times before they are believed. What is important is that we are courageous enough to say them, vulnerable enough to mean them, and humble enough to repeat them as many times as necessary. When you apologize, you are restoring the dignity that you have violated in the person you have hurt. You are also acknowledging that the offense has happened. You are taking responsibility for your part in causing harm. When you apologize with humility and with true remorse for hurting another, you open a space for healing. A hollow and insincere apology can only compound the initial damage done. An apology offered as a way to get out of trouble or to placate an upset person is no apology at all. When you apologize, do it from the heart. And if you don't feel it, don't even say it. It's only when we truly recognize the suffering of the other person and the true harm we have caused that our apologies will be genuine. If we're truly remorseful, our apologies will come wholeheartedly, not reluctantly. When we acknowledge and admit our wrongs, freely and willingly face the pain we have caused, and truly feel remorse for our behavior, then our apologies will leave us feeling as if a huge weight has been lifted off our shoulders. But what if you cannot apologize directly to the person you have harmed? The freedom and healing that comes from saying I'm sorry in a genuine way is still possible, even if the person to whom you need to apologize is no longer alive, or there is just no possible way to speak to them directly. You can write them a letter that you bury or burn afterwards, for example. You can also participate in a number of online anonymous apology websites, or even call an apology hotline phone number and leave your apology as an anonymous voicemail message. The fact that these outlets for apology exist is a testament to the healing power of an apology offered. Of course, ideally, we could all face our accusers and express our remorse and offer our apology straightforwardly. This ideal is not always possible, but we can still engage in the step along the path of forgiveness. Today, let's do a Ho'oponopono practice again, so that we once again practice saying these three magical words and really mean them, feeling all the feels behind them. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Just notice how your breath flows through your body and how your body responds to your breath. Find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. I'll remind you that Ho'oponopono consists of 5 phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Today, we're just going to go straight into repeating those words again and again. And if this is the first time you're doing Ho'oponopono practice, I recommend that you go to a series that we did on this practice a while ago. And it's in one of the guides, or there is also a link to it, a YouTube link to all those practices. Right now, let's just start from the very beginning. As you repeat the words, just notice what's happening in your body, in your heart, in your mind. If you want to imagine the person you want to apologize to, go for it. But it's not necessary. You can just let the practice unfold within you however it does. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Take a moment to take a pause and once again scan your body. Notice whatever you notice, if some memories come, if there are more people you need to apologize to that come to mind, you can bring them in, or you can continue just in general, sending the energy of those words, those powerful words, into the world, and knowing that somehow there is something very powerful and deep happening in your heart, in your whole system. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Now place your hands on your heart, and with gratitude for the powerful work you are doing on this path of forgiveness, send yourself some energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body one more time, noticing what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on this second step of the path of forgiveness, witnessing the anguish you've caused and apologizing. And I encourage you to commit to practicing saying, I'm sorry, and really meaning it. Whenever you commit small slights, because as we all know, in time, we will all need them for larger hurts we cause. Today, I will also post some anonymous apology websites Desmond Tutu lists in the book. Maybe some of you find this way of apologizing useful for your situation. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.